Hello friends, this is CH Goodbury and here's a quick update about the channel. I'm gonna further bring out some videos on JavaScript and then gonna further move to React. Basically, I'm trying to complete the main stack, that is MongoDB, Express.js, React and Node.js. So first we're gonna complete the JavaScript tutorials, then we're gonna go with the React. We're gonna become full stack developer after learning everything about this. I'm gonna put out some interviews questions. I'm gonna put out some job experiences. I'm gonna put out some news in the coding industry, what's going on, and lots of things gonna come up next couple of days. So stay tuned, guys. Give it out a support, give us out a thumbs up, and subscribe. That would be a great thing for me. And this is a quick update, guys. Thank you, each and every one of you.